Alright ladies and gents, today we are here. The utmost important creature on our reef line in Bermuda. The silver dollar, aka Los Bremes.
The bream, the North Atlantic silver dollar, commonly found in the inshore waters of Bermuda. It is the fastest, most delicious tasting fish you will ever catch in your entire life. Now, they may be caught off of docks. They might eat shit for a living, but they still taste absolutely amazing.
Today we're gonna be scavenging Bermuda shoreline today. It is blowing 40 knots, it's horrible weather, can't do anything in the boat. We're gonna go catch some bait, we're gonna go try and catch some fish off the dock. See you guys along the way.
Cause I gotta get paid, do the math every day. Had a dream, I bought a Wraith and at my pockets weight. I bought 100K, got in that cash from replay, now my drip like a lake. See that bitch with a K, throw that ass back, tell her shake, then I'm gon' gotta skate.
I see a jackpot with birds busting some bait over there.
Yeah, let's see what's happening.
Alright, this is where the bait was.
Today.
There's nothing there.
Oh, it's here, look.
Up in that corner?
Yeah, that's all bait there. Yeah, it's just pretty windy here. Hopefully you guys can hear us. There's some slippery rocks here we're just pulling up on. I think the bait is just right off here. Yeah, see it? Oh, look at the bowl. Huge bowl of fry.
Watch this, bro. Watch this.
Goggle eyes on it, pilchards on it, eating it, chasing it. Oh, look, it's the whole beach, Brucey.
Oh shit, is it going on?
There's a big bowl out there. Nice cast from Brucey. Let's go. Should have got a little bit there. Yeah, that's a nice cast, Brucey. Let's go. Big bait here. We got some fry and pilchards mixed up.
Oh, half bucket, one cast.
Yeah, that is not a bad start to our day. As you guys can see here, we got some hugmouth fry, and that's going to be the smaller bait here. Then we got some pilchards, little small pilchards, but they all work. And like you guys saw our bait video before, I have Smarty link it. Make sure you guys clean the docks.
These rocks are slippery. I'm gonna call him Henry.
Alrighty, as Brucey just showed you, found a little bit more bait.
Yes, yes, uncle. That's what I love about Bermuda. You just say hey to everyone. It's like, hello.
I know, it's sick.
I've never been back here. What the hell? This is weird. Oh, it's like an old fort. That's crazy. I'm probably gonna scare Jacob when he comes across. Hey, buddy. Oh my god, it's black with fry.
Black. You had a couple of nice casts here. Let's go.
Use them muscles, boy. Look how big it is.
Yeah.
Jesus. Look at the size of that fry.
Oh my gosh.
Dude. Oh, it's just full.
Fry's huge as well. Let's go. That's how we do it. Look at that. Beautiful bait. Woo, it's windy. I just saved that so bad. Holy shit, that could have been horrible.
It'll do. Hey, I've been looking for one of these. Oh, it's still good too. I'll put it on Facebook Marketplace. I know what I got here. I know what it's worth, okay? These things are like $35 in the store.
Waste not, want not.
Well, I'm hoping the GoPro doesn't fall, but... Good.
Alrighty peeps, you guys were talking absolute BS because Brucey got one better cast than me the other video. You all said that he's better than me. You just saw me fill up buckets and casts with fry. We have indeed found some nice pilchards on the beach here. Nice calm weather over in the lee, so...
I'm just gonna prove the point real quick.
No, okay, we're gonna...
What is this, 15 feet?
Alright, let's see.
Oh, why are you stuck on something?
Pull it quick, we got a whole nother bucket to get. I mean, that was, oh, that's fry? Ooh, no, it's fry. What? This is the best. Oh, this is the biggest fry I've seen in my life. This is fry. Oh, put it in the sun. Look at this. This is the biggest fry I've ever casted. This is insane. They're all the size of pilchards. And this is hogmouth fry. No! No! That is the best looking fry I've ever caught in my life. But we have pulled up to another spot along the shoreline here, and as you can see, the dark shadow is all bait going all the way along. We should be able to get a couple of buckets of bait here. We're going for glory here. There's a lot of rock, very risky cast, but the fry is so black that we are gonna go for it. No! I mean, that was one of the worst casts I've ever seen, but somehow somehow the net is still full. Do not rip the net, please. I would just take your pants off. Well, we casted right over a rock.
I risk, I reward.
We're just proving the theory wrong today. You guys all said Brucey was it, and
I am it though.
Brucey ain't it today. All right, Brucey's decided he wants a redemption shot.
I'm giving up. I'm giving up.
He's not giving up. There's still more bait pulled up, so
Oh, the total rock.
he's going for redemption. Okay, this might be a good redemption shot for Brucey. Let's see. I guess he made up for it. He made up for it. Yeah, he made up for it. That's a great shot. Nice work, bud.
Pardon me? Finally, I messed the first two up. Exactly.
We're just teaching you guys here to never give up on your dreams, and if you want to cast that fry, you go for it.
You proud of me? You proud of me, Jimmy? There's a bait there.
Come on.
Go like right in the middle. Okay. Okay, I'll shut up.
Ew.
Now you gotta lift it.
I know. Back to back to back to back to back today. This is madness. I just have to prove you guys wrong.
Oh, bream.
So much shit.
There's a bream in there. No, I got a bream in here. Oh, the elusive silver dollar. The silver dollar. Sea bream.
Silver dollar, let him go, mate. He's only a baby.
Alright, here you go, mate. Poor chap never learned how to swim, eh? Sir. Slow and steady, she's filling up. Be nice to have the hole in that, but that's a mess around it. Gotta save your silver dollars.
Black burger and live.
Alright, we're at our last spot of the day. Weather is getting crazy. No, run it. Yes. Yes. That is the one. I told you where to line it up. Oh yes. Basically a whole bucket in one cast.
That's heavy.
Let's go. This will be like the sea.
In there too.
Yeah, I see that. That works. Nice filters. Picking up the extras because we never waste nothing, my boy. Alrighty peeps, we're about to complete the video. The weather is treacherous right now. We got gusts of 40 knots. We just bagged everything up. We didn't put that in the video. If you guys would like to see how we bag and store bait, Smarty will link that for you. Just click on that. But you saw us catching the cast and we had a blast. We wanted to catch some fish today. The silver dollars were not biting, unfortunately. Like and subscribe. The page is doing well. And have a good day.
Cause I gotta get paid. Do the math every day. Had a dream, I bought a Wraith and at my pocket's way. I bought 100K. Got in that cash and